Hello everyone, welcome back to Namaste Canada. I'm Neeraj.
And I'm Ruchika.
So where are we now?
So we are at Niagara Falls.
We are back at Niagara Falls.
Yeah. So we were here in the morning. It was super sunny, super hot, but
Yep.
now the weather is very nice.
Yep.
So we are back again
Yes.
to see the fireworks.
Yeah. So fireworks are pretty nearby, and look, this road is now closed.
Yeah.
Police has now closed it. Earlier it was open, and there is lot of crowd. I think we should keep going, Ruchika.
Yes.
You wanna go?
Yes.
No. So you look.
So
Look at
what we got to know from here is like you can see fireworks every day in Niagara Falls around 10 p.m. for I think few minutes. But today it will be more than few minutes, so it will be longer. So
it's 5 minutes regularly.
Okay.
Today it is for 7 minutes.
Okay, so earlier they like every day they do it for 5 minutes, but today they're going to do it for 7 minutes, and it's very crowded.
So that show that way. Look at this, it is so crowded. Yeah, it is so vibrant and crowded right now.
Yeah.
We came in the morning and it was pretty hot
Yes.
at that time.
And then there was storm around 6 p.m.
Yeah.
So it was like raining heavily. There were some events which were going to happen until 8 p.m. but they moved their stalls and everything because of the rain. And now we are back out here where we were in the morning.
Yeah, so this is the Ferris wheel that we took ride in the morning. And then there is Boston Pizza, Canada Trading Company, and Great Canadian Midway. Lot of attractions that we can see here. But our first priority now is to see fireworks.
And finding a place where we're gonna sit down.
Yeah.
To see fireworks.
Yes. So there is, I think, Victoria Park. We should go that way. From there we can easily see good view of our Niagara Falls as well as fireworks. I don't know. You can drink coffee if you want, but these are not coffees, Ruchika. Oh, they have few.
Let's leave.
Okay. I think now we need to rush towards the falls.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it would be hard to find a spot.
Yes.
It's just 45 minutes left for the amazing fireworks that we wanted to see since long time ago.
Yeah.
So this is the first time we are in Niagara Falls during our July 1st.
Yes. We are visiting Canada and India.
Yes.
But we have been to Niagara Falls a couple of times and
Yeah.
it was always amazing.
Yes. Are you excited?
Yes,
I am excited to see that red and white colored falls. So they shine light on Niagara Falls, and usually it is multicolored, but today they are gonna shine that light in red and white color, which is the color of Canadian flag. So that sounds great to me. I want. So there are several haunted houses. I don't know what's the what's the deal with these haunted houses? There are several haunted houses. At least I have seen 3. There is this maze of lasers as well, Ruchika. We should explore these things. Oh wow, another haunted house, Ruchi. The next one.
This is actually called the haunted house.
Yes. Yeah. Exciting.
There are lots of
Super
activities
exciting.
here.
Yeah. Look at the crowd at this time. Look at that crowd. There were not many people during the daytime and it was pretty hot. I saw today that it went up to 49 degrees Celsius. Yeah. I think we can go here instead of following the footpath only because they close the road from both sides. So no car can come here. Yeah. Oh, this is Wax Museum. Yeah, that's ice cream. Yeah, I also love ice cream. So, look at that, Zoe. Look at that globe. What is that? Yeah. Oh, there are a lot of attractions here, Ruchika.
Forest Cafe.
Yeah. Do you see these attractions on the US side of Niagara Falls?
No. It's
So, Ruchika, why don't you hold the camera and I will go because I think
Yeah, this is Rainforest Cafe. It is giving me a very good vibe. Maybe after looking at the fireworks, we might come here because we will be hungry after some time. So we'll take a look. What should we eat? But there are lots of activities. We can
40 movie theater.
Yeah, I think we have a ticket for try something 4D. We have to see. Yeah. And I can see falls from here. It's white at the moment. I don't know if you can see.
No, but they don't shine light on this falls. These are American, I think Bridal Wheel Falls or whatever.
Yeah.
The main falls are on the other side.
Okay. Let's see. Let's go near the falls, and I think the view would be better on that side.
Yes.
Yes, maybe.
Spooky, we will see.
We will come back here, Zoe.
Now we can see the crowd. Look at that crowd. This is the crowd. Yeah. And if you look behind us, I think you can also see many people. Not on this way actually. There are not many people behind us, but there are definitely more people on the front.
And there's a
So-
park.
Yeah.
People are sitting on that side as well. Like
Yes.
there are some.
Yeah. So here there are two main attractions. We will have firecrackers at 10 o'clock for 7 minutes, and then we will have Niagara Falls lit up in colors of Canadian flag,
White and red.
white and red. I think up to 2 a.m.
Yeah.
We said that up to 2 a.m.
So we are moving towards.
Yeah.
It's getting darker on the side because there are not enough lights.
Yes, there are orange lights. And you can see that US-Canada border.
Yeah.
It's right there.
Rainbow Bridge.
Rainbow Bridge. I think it will be much more clear when we go a little bit closer to the falls. So finally we have reached our destination,
Yes.
and
We are-
Ruchika is sitting here.
Yeah, so we are very close to falls.
Yeah, I'll show you when I turn around. I'll show the falls.
So I'm sitting down here because our baby, our other one, Zoe is getting scared, and
Yeah.
I'm just holding her so that she doesn't get scared when it will be a lot of noise around.
Yeah, in 5 minutes I think fireworks will start.
Yeah, and the grass is wet, so we didn't bring our bed sheet, but we have her changing sheet, so I'm using that for now, and we're sitting on top of it.
Cool. So that's Ferris wheel from where we came. There is it's a big crowd here, and then you see that Skylon Tower. That's tower in Niagara Falls. That's colored in Canadian colors, red and white. And this is the crowd. You can see those are the falls. They are bluish green, purple at this time. They will change this to red and white pretty soon. And what you see on the other side, that's United States side, though that side, and that's the bridge or a border crossing, bridge that leads to border crossing, the Rainbow Bridge, and we use that one to come to the Canadian side. But this is a beautiful view. You can see so many people here. So these are big falls. They start from there, and then they stop somewhere in between, and then there is no falls here, and then there are again other set of falls. So this is quite big falls. So Ruchika, I remember your story about Niagara Falls. So we earlier when we came for the first time,
Yeah.
I think we came from Cleveland.
Yes.
And
our anniversary.
we had our I think on our anniversary we had our music box with
Yes,
us,
yes.
and we used to dance on that road on the other side, on the US
So it was
side.
on the US side, Niagara Falls, and I was
Yeah.
dancing. It was like which Billa song? Kulvinder Billa?
Yeah, which villa? Bagga villa. Nahi,
so
Kulvinder villa song.
ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਮਿੱਠੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰੀਆਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਰਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁਣ ਤੂੰ ਪਿਆਰ ਵੇ
She always complaining.
That's a song that was not made by me, but
Yeah.
it was funny. So we made a video, and it's still there on some of my social media platforms.
Yeah,
So yeah, it's funny, and it's always nice to see our memories.
yeah. But that was long time ago,
Yeah.
several years ago.
Not so long.
Not so long, yeah, I agree. But at that time, we didn't think that we will stay here for so long.
Yeah, and we didn't think about making YouTube videos.
Yeah, we never thought about making YouTube
We were
videos.
just making memories at that time.
Yeah.
Now too, but like at that time we were making only for ourselves, and it was so fun to do dance and go to the Maid of the Mist and walk around the forest.
Yeah, this guy is very excited now.
Yeah. I was hoping that she was gonna sleep, but she's still awake.
Yeah, she is not only awake, but she's also like doing this dance.
Yeah, she knows that it's Canada Day.
Yeah.
And she's gonna see fireworks soon. This one is getting scared.
Yeah, I think they fired some test fireworks.
Yes.
And Zoe got
Yeah,
scared with those.
Only 2 minutes left, so it's 9:58 now.
Yeah.
It's gonna start soon.
It's gonna start soon, and I'll stand and I'll record all the fireworks. For the first time, we are celebrating Canada Day in
Yeah.
Niagara Falls,
Yeah.
and it's in 2026.
Right. And we were here like in June 2024 as well. But
That was Zoe's first visit to
yes, but
Niagara
we were not
Falls.
here on Canada Day.
Yes,
but
yes.
we were there around your birthday.
Yeah, on my birthday we were also there.
Yes.
But let's see how the fireworks look. Oh wow, it is red now, Ruchika. Oh wow, it is red and white. So they have turned on the light. Yeah, it is now red and white. This is beautiful. So this is Niagara Falls lit up in Canadian flag colors that are red and white. So today is Canada Day, that's why they used red and white lights to lit up the Niagara Falls. We are on the Canadian side of Niagara Falls and Ruchika is here. Yeah.
Canada Day t-shirt.
Yes. So the fireworks have started. at the Niagara Falls. It was very, very interesting. I hope you guys also enjoyed with us. I enjoyed a lot. But now I need to find where is Ruchika and the kids. I found them. So they are sitting here, right here. How was it, Ruchika?
It was amazing.
Did you enjoy?
I enjoyed, but she was scared, so I'm just holding her and I was looking at it. Take some pictures. We're going to take our picture because she was scared. Otherwise, yeah, I was planning to take some pictures.
Yeah, it was really nice.
Yeah.
You should see the falls. We will click some pictures there. And it is beautiful.
Nice.
Right?
Yeah, she was scared and she wanted them to close it as soon as possible.
Yeah.
Now she's happy, I think, so we can take some pictures of her.
I think let people move and go.
Yeah.
We will wait for 5-10 minutes
Yeah.
and then we will show them the Niagara Falls as well.
Yes, yes.
Okay, let's continue later. So finally the fireworks are over.
Yes.
I hope you enjoyed the fireworks.
Yeah, I did, and we sat down a little far away so that it's away from crowd. But it was amazing to see fireworks from here.
Yeah, and for me the beautiful thing was that Niagara Falls was lit in red and white colors.
Yeah, and it was
Canadian
changing
colors.
too.
I think you can also see in our backdrop.
Yeah.
So this is white and red color.
Yes.
It's
yes.
very beautiful.
Yeah, and after that, like after the fireworks were done, they started showing other colors. But earlier it was only white and
Yeah,
red.
during the duration of the fireworks, this was completely red and white.
Yes.
And it was very beautiful. There was so much crowd here. Energy was awesome. One thing I really liked about Canada is that the crowd management was really excellent. So they
Yeah.
blocked the roads so that no vehicle can enter.
Right. So like I think 1 hour before they started blocking roads that were leading to this area,
Yep.
so that no vehicles were going and people can easily walk with strollers and with kids. So it was really helpful.
It was really cool.
Yeah.
So I will finally show you the view of the Niagara Falls and before closing. So it's in our backdrop. That's the Ferris wheel from where we came, and that's the Skylon Tower that's colored in Canadian flag.
Yeah.
And this
that's
is Ruchika.
I'm
Ruchika has this
standing.
Canada t-shirt,
Yeah.
and I also have this Canada shirt.
Yeah.
You might have seen it.
So we are twinning today, and
Yeah.
we are very excited to be here, and we had a great day today.
Yeah, let me show you the Niagara Falls
Sure.
before
I'll see
moving
you.
on. Yeah. Uh-oh. So they turned off the lights. Some bluish lights are on, but I think they keep on changing the lights. Earlier it was only red and white during the fireworks, and then they also kept red and white for a while. Now they are switching the light colors. Those are the falls. Shoe Horse Falls. One are Bridal Wheel Falls, other one are Shoe Horse Falls. This is the color that I was talking about, the red and white. So you have this Canadian flag right in front of you. Red on the left, white in the center, and then red on the right. This is the most beautiful view of Niagara Falls. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay healthy. Bye bye.